In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Counter-Strike 2 crashing or not launching or freezing or black screen. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and open Steam, and here you will find Counter-Strike. So I'll do this for Brawlhalla as an example. You can follow the exact same steps. So you would basically right click and then go to properties. Here you will go to installed files and then verify integrity of game files. This might take a few minutes, but wait for it until it finishes. Next thing, you want to click on browse, and here you will find the game.exe. So for Counter-Strike it would say cs2.exe. So here for Brawlhalla it's saying Brawlhalla.exe. Just do the same for Counter-Strike. Just find the game and it would say .exe next to it. Then you would right click and then go to properties and go to compatibility mode. And here you will just run this program in compatibility mode. Then you would disable full screen optimization, click apply and OK. After this, you want to check if you need any updates for your drivers. So you can close this down, go here to device manager, and here inside display adapters, you want to check for updates. And if there is any update, you will be able to update. You can even click on the automatically search for updates, and you want to make sure you do this for your other drivers if you have multiple drivers. So once you do this, your issue should be fixed.